This Tefal fryer has a large frying capacity, making it ideal for easy family cooking. Automatic oil filtration both drains and filters the oil just by simply turning the dial. By sieving the oil and storing it, it allows you to repeatedly reuse it, which minimises waste. The digital timer has a clear display and helps you to stay on top of your cooking by keeping track of time. Set your cooking time easily and monitor your meal in progress. The 3.5 litre oil capacity allows for up to 1.2 kilograms of frying capacity, so you have plenty of room to prepare your meals. Perfect for cooking delicious golden chips for dinner with the family. Enjoy additional flexibility in the kitchen with this easy-to-use Tefal fryer.